One of the most important aspects of networking for freelancers is connecting with potential clients. And here are some strategies to help you do that effectively. As we've already discussed, LinkedIn is a powerful platform for connecting with potential clients and building your professional network. And here's what will help you master it. Ensure your LinkedIn profile has a clear headline, summary, and relevant experience. Use keywords related to your services to increase your visibility in searches. Use LinkedIn to find and connect people from your ICP, your ideal customer profile. When sending out a connection request, don't necessarily include a personalized message explaining why you would like to connect. Do that once connected. Reach out. Please don't sell your services right away. Sending a connection request is like inviting someone on a date, and selling your services is like a marriage proposal. So don't do that. We get to know each other fast. You can make people see you by engaging with their content, by commenting on other people's posts, and actively participating in relevant LinkedIn groups. You show your expertise that way, and you keep yourself visible in your network. Make a habit of spending 10 to 15 minutes a day adding value by commenting on posts, liking, and you'll be surprised by how fast you'll get your name out there. But always remember the number one rule: you give value first. The second networking strategy is attending industry events, such as conferences, workshops, and meetups, which is a great way to meet a potential client, for example, in person. These events often attract professionals who are looking for services just like yours. Prepare a brief explanation of your work, your elevator pitch, to introduce yourself to people and explain what it is that you do. But don't sell. Be a curious human first. Ask people what they find challenging and try to help them as much as possible and connect with relevant people. By doing that, people will remember you. And when they'll need your expertise, they will reach out. And remember to follow up with the people you meet after the event to keep the conversation going. Another thing that can help you network is joining professional organizations related to your industry. They can give you access to a community of potential clients too. These organizations often host events, webinars, and networking sessions where you can connect with other members. Being active in these communities can help you build credibility and trust with potential clients. Also, freelance platforms like 9am Works can help you to connect with clients actively looking for freelancers. These platforms allow you to showcase your skills, apply for projects, and build a portfolio of work. To stand out on these platforms, ensure your profile is complete, your portfolio is up to date, and your proposals are tailored to your clients' needs.